Question number 9. Anand and Bhishan, carrying on business in partnership, decide to dissolve the firm and sell off his business to C Company Limited on 31st-3/2019. Here, capital of A and B is given, creditors is given, land, furniture, all the assets has been given including cash. The arrangements with the company is as follows. Land purchased for 50,000. 40,000 land has been purchased for 50,000. Furniture and stock are taken at 10% below the book value. Okay. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 7,500 rupees. Debtors are taken at 8,000, but the creditors at the balance sheet figure. Means creditors at the balance sheet figure. The purchase consideration is to be discharged by the purchasing company in fully paid equity shares of 10 rupees each. Show the realization account, capital account, C company's account, and equity shares in C company account in the books of the firm. Okay. Now, first thing is, as usual, you should find out purchase consideration here under net asset method. Okay. Here assets taken over, land has been taken over for 50,000 rupees. Land and furniture has taken over 10% below the book value. The furniture amount is 3,320 rupees. 10% below means 10% of this is 332 rupees. So below means here you have to deduct it. You will get 2,988 rupees. Stock value is 15,380 rupees. 10% below means 15,380 into 10% means 1,538. You have to deduct it in 15,380. You will get 13,842 rupees. And the debtors are taken over at 8,000 rupees. Debtors 8,000, but the creditors at the balance sheet figure. So here creditors is given here. Balance sheet figure is 22,250. 22,250. And goodwill for 7,500 rupees. And next thing is cash is 5,120. So here next thing make the total. Liabilities 22,250. So 65,200 rupees. Okay. Now see, goodwill is given here 7,500 and cash is given. Cash is 5,120. Make the total of it 87,450. Deduct the creditors 22,250. And you will get the purchase consideration, that is 65,200 rupees. Here they have given that the purchase consideration is to be discharged by the purchasing company in fully paid equity shares of 10 rupees each. 65,200 rupees, 10 rupees each per share means 65,200 divided by 10. That's equal to, you will get 6,520 shares of 10 each. Means see here they have not given the number of shares, that's why you have to calculate it. The purchase consideration is 65,200 rupees you are having. You have to divide it into number of shares. You don't know number of shares, but you know the face value of the share, that is 10 rupees each. That's why it will be for one share 10 rupees. That's why 65,200 rupees is there. Therefore number of shares is, you will get 6,520 shares. Okay, now move to realization account. Now here in this realization account, land is valued for 40,000 which is given, that is land is 40,000, furniture 3,320, 3,320, stock 15,380 given, and debtors is 8,430 which is given in the problem, and creditors 22,250 which is also given here, and by C company's account 65,200 just we have calculated it here, and cash is given as 5,120. So to cash 5,120 and make the total, and the balance is 15,200 has to be divided equally. That is A will get 7,600 and B will get 7,600 rupees. Next thing is move to C company account. Here realization account 65,200 rupees means the purchase consideration is 65,200 and totally they have paid in shares, that is 6,520 shares, that is amount is 65,200. So there is no debentures or no cash, so make the total of it. Shares in purchasing company account. Here to C's company account totally in shares, that's why all the amount comes here 65,200. And now by A's capital account and by B's capital account, see here, here this amount you will get by preparing first this account. So before shares in purchasing company account, you should prepare capital account. Okay, I will show you that here by balance brought down means first you should write A's capital and B's capital, which is given in the problem that his capital is A has contributed 33,000 and B 17,000. Okay, so see here, by balance brought down in their capital account, A 33,000 and B 17,000. Okay, and by realization account their profit has been transferred to their account, that is 7,600, 7,600. You can see it here that they have divided it equally and 7,600 each they will get. So here make the total of it and then you will get to shares in C's company account, that the balancing figure, that is 40,600 and 24,600. This is the balancing figure. By making by preparing this capital account, you will come to know that C's company account 65,200 rupees. So by A's capital account is 40,600 and B's capital account is 24,600 and make the total of it. Obviously this account balances in both the side. That's it.